Hello everyone. Our course title is Design of Reinforced Concrete Elements. Before discussing about the syllabus, we are going to see about the vision of Civil Engineering Department, mission of Civil Engineering Department, program educational objectives, program outcomes, program specific outcomes, then course objectives, then introduction about the syllabus and course outcomes. So the first one is a vision of Civil Engineering Department. Our vision is to offer novel and economical solutions for the complex and complicated problems arise in civil engineering industry and to play a significant role in developing the infrastructure in our country, to provide a creative environment for learners to attain high level of excellence in civil engineering industry. This is the mission of our civil engineering department. There are 4 missions are there. First one is to create, disseminate and integrate in depth of knowledge in civil engineering among graduates and to provide a dynamic learning environment that emphasize open-ended design, problem solving skills, teamwork, communication and leadership skills, which in turn enables the betterment of the human society. The second one is to produce highly competent civil engineering professionals with innovative thinking and ethical standards. The third one is to promote quality education, research and consultancy for industrial and societal needs. The last one is to provide state-of-art resources that contribute to a continuous learning environment. The next one is a program educational objectives of our civil engineering program. The graduate will demonstrate sound knowledge in mathematical, scientific and engineering fundamentals and will analyze and solve engineering problems related to civil engineering industry. The second one is the graduate will practice the habit of continuous learning and will exhibit interest to pursue their higher studies and research. The third one is here, the graduate will develop the ability to apply their civil engineering knowledge in the practical problems and arrive with viable and economical solutions to confidentially work in industries and will have the successful career. The graduate will practice and follow ethical standards in the profession and will be capable to resolve more dilemmas arise in their profession. The next one is a program outcomes. There are 12 program outcomes are there which are framed by the National Board of Accreditation. The first one is here PO1, engineering knowledge. The students after getting degree, the students should attain able to apply the knowledge of mathematics and science, engineering fundamentals and an engineering specialization to the solution of complex engineering problem. The second one is here problem analyze. PO2 is here problem analyze. In this program, the students should attain the identify and formulate, review, research literature and analyze the complex engineering problems. The next one is here PO3 is here design solutions for complex engineering problems and design system components or processes that meet the specified needs with the appropriate consideration for the public health and safety. The PO4 is here conduct investigations of complex problems, use research based knowledge and resource methods including design of experiment and analysis and the interpretation of the data. PO5 is a modern tool usage. Modern tool usage. Using the modern tool, the students should create, select and appropriate techniques, resources and modern engineering and IT tools including the prediction and modeling to complex engineering activities. PO6 is here, engineering and society. PO7 is environment and sustainability. Understand the impact of professional engineering solution in the societal and environmental context. PO8 is ethics. Apply the ethic principles. Apply the ethic principles and commit to professional ethics and responsibilities and norms for the engineering practices. PO9 is your individual and teamwork. These uh, program outcomes are attained through the laboratory works and through the project employability enhancement program. Only the students can get these kind of program outcomes. PO10 is your communication. PO11 is your project management and finance. The last one is PO12 is your lifelong learning. So these 12 POs are framed by the National Board of Accreditation for all the UG programs. The next one is your program specific outcomes. There are 3 program specific outcomes are there. The first one is prepare the plans and layout for any civil engineering structures and apply the construction and management principles to supervise and successfully complete the constructions. The second one is here, the design should be an economically analyze and economical designs the safe and durable superstructures and foundation for buildings, bridges, tower, highway, airfield pavement, environmental structures, liquid and material storage structures, water conveying systems, and many other allied civil engineering structures. So the second PSO2 is mainly concentrated for the analyze and design the any kind of structures with the economically. The third one is investigate issues pertaining to water treatment, waste management, pollution control. So the third one is mainly concentrated on the environmental related problems. The next one, this is our course topic, design of reinforced concrete element. So course objectives is to study the different type of philosophies, working stress concept or limit state concept related to design the basic structural elements such as slab, beam, column and footings as per the Indian Standard Code of Practice. This is our course title. The first module 1 is method of design of concrete structures. So in this topic, students will understand the differentiate between working stress concept and limit state method, then design of flexural members and slab by working stress method. In the second module, limit state design for flexure, bond, anchorage, shear and torsion. In this topic, the students able to analyze and design of singly and doubly reinforced rectangular and flanged beams, and also the students should be able to design the RC beams subjected to shear and torsion. In the module 3, analyze and design of one-way and two-way rectangular slab subjected to uniformly distributed load. And also the students should be able to design the staircases also. The module 4, limit state design for columns. The types of students will understand the types of columns, braced and unbraced column, design of short columns, design of slender columns, and detailing of reinforcement for the columns, beam column joint. The last module is limit state design for footing. The design of wall footing, design of axially and eccentrically loaded rectangular footing, design of combined rectangular footing for two columns only. And finally, the detailing of reinforcement should know the students. Students should know the detailing of reinforcement. These are the textbooks. Varghese PC, Limit State Design of Reinforced Concrete, and Krishna Raju, Design of Reinforced Concrete Structures. And these are the references. Course outcomes. At the end of this course, the students will be able to, in first one, there are 5 course outcomes are there. The first one, they interpret the concept of working stress and limit state method and a design of various structural element accordance with IS 456-2000. The course outcomes 2 is analyze and design of singly and doubly reinforced rectangular and flanged beams for flexure. The course outcome 3 is mainly for design of RC slab staircase based on strength and serviceability criteria. The CO4 course outcomes 4 for design of short columns for axial, uniaxial and biaxial eccentric loading. The course outcomes 5 is for design of wall footings, isolated footing and combined rectangular and trapezoidal footing. These are the RC elements. Depth of the in this topic, the students should able to understand, analyze, and design of the various structural RC element, slab, footing, beam, columns, etc. And staircases also there. So these are the elements. But in our courses only, the students should be able to understand and design the slab designs, beam, column and footing and staircases also. Thank you.